Mars, the long-lost brother of Earth, a world that has fascinated, inspired, and puzzled humanity for thousands of years. Year 1976. First satellite of Viking series, Viking 1, reached the orbit of Mars and clicked something which could have been bigger than moon landings. But what it was, let's see. These two photos were more than enough to blow the mind of every space enthusiast and NASA scientist, but not strong enough to convince that Mars has pyramids similar to Earth. So, initially, it was treated as coincidence. Year 2012. NASA sent Curiosity rover mission officially entered the orbit of Mars. It was the most heaviest but most advanced mission ever launched to Mars. It had the most advanced laboratory built inside of it to identify all organic and inorganic substances it will encounter on Mars. This warrior was carrying hopes of every space lover on the planet. On August 6, 2012, this robotic warrior touched down on the surface of Mars. It was more than just a landing. It was the beginning of a journey into the planet's ancient past. What Curiosity was about to discover had the potential to uncover billions of years of Martian history and answer one of humanity's greatest questions. Could Mars have once supported life? Just months after landing, Curiosity discovered that Martian soil contained minerals similar to volcanic soils found on Earth. Soon after, it found strong evidence that ancient rivers once flowed across the planet's surface. In 2013, the rover confirmed that Gale Crater once hosted a freshwater lake capable of supporting microbial life. Years later, Curiosity detected ancient organic molecules preserved within Martian rocks, proving that the building blocks of life once existed on Mars. It also observed mysterious seasonal fluctuations of methane in the atmosphere, a discovery that continues to puzzle scientists to this day. A lot is yet to be discovered about the Red Planet, but the question remains, are we prepared for it? All of these discoveries seem to point toward one question. If Mars was once so similar to early Earth, could it have once been home to an ancient civilization of its own? A civilization that rose and disappeared billions of years before humanity ever looked toward the stars. While there is no evidence to support such a possibility today, the mysteries buried beneath the Martian surface continue to fuel one of the greatest questions in planetary exploration. One of the major reasons why we believe it is because 4.5 billion years ago, when Mars was a green planet with its own oceans and had a habitable and life-supporting ecosystem. But, on the opposite Earth, was full of lava and volcanoes with no traces of human life. All of it leads us to that same direction. Are we Martians? Around 500 BC, the Greek philosopher Anaxagoras introduced a radical idea. What if life on Earth did not begin on Earth at all? Centuries later, this concept evolved into the modern theory of panspermia, the idea that life, in one form or another, can travel across the cosmos, spreading from world to world throughout the universe. But what if the journey of life was not always left to chance? What if, somewhere in the depths of cosmic history, an advanced civilization possessed the technology to carry the seeds of life across the stars? Today, it remains a fascinating possibility, one that continues to inspire scientists, philosophers, and dreamers alike. About 16 million years ago, a massive asteroid impact blasted this Martian rock into space. It then spent millions of years drifting through the solar system before landing in Antarctica around 13,000 years ago. When scientists finally examined it, they discovered something extraordinary. Hidden within the rock were unusual minerals and microscopic structures that some researchers believed could be linked to ancient Martian life. The discovery sparked worldwide debate and reignited one of humanity's greatest questions. Are we alone in the universe? To this day, the mystery remains unsolved, making this one of the most fascinating pieces of Mars ever found on Earth. For decades, Mars has remained one of the greatest mysteries in our solar system. Ancient river valleys, dried lake beds, and evidence of a world that was once dramatically different from the cold desert we see today. Every mission sent to the Red Planet has uncovered another piece of an ancient puzzle. And with every discovery came an even greater question. If Mars was once so similar to early Earth, what else existed there billions of years ago? Could the Red Planet be hiding a chapter of history that humanity has yet to uncover? Perhaps the answers still lie buried beneath its endless deserts. Today, humanity continues its search. Orbiters scan the planet from above. Rovers explore its surface 1 meter at a time. And for the first time in history, we are preparing to send humans there. What once seemed impossible is slowly becoming reality. Yet, despite everything we have learned about Mars, its greatest secrets may still remain undiscovered. And perhaps, somewhere beneath its dust-covered surface, lies a discovery capable of changing everything we know about our place in the universe. The question is not whether Mars still has mysteries. The question is, are we prepared for the answers?